guys, I didn't expect that I would be able to do any vlog throughout this week again, because this week was kind of very crazy to me. No, I don't know if I told you guys, my power bank spoiled last week on Thursday, I think so, and because of that, it's really affected my whole week. It really affected me, like, from the beginning to end. I did a lot of things. I joined the tutorial and it was awesome. It was awesome. Which other thing did I do? I haven't forgotten, but my classes were awesome as well this week. It was really cool. And but anyway, I'm going to show you guys everything of my day, how I spent my Friday, the 10th of June, 2025. So stay with me. Okay, I'm gonna add Saturday as well, so stay with me. Right on, watch this video to the end, and you're gonna love it. Trust me. Okay, yeah. Go back home, man. It's been really stressful. Look at my body sweat, brother. As I'm dark like this, I'm gonna be more darker. Now this me as charcoal. Jesus Christ, I'm super tired. Like, seriously, I'm super tired. Gracias. Guys, I just had my beats. Now, as you can see, I just had my beats, and I'm currently preparing this thing, a lunch, but I won't say lunch, I'll call it a dinner, because I'm just preparing for today, the dinner for the night and tomorrow. And look at the rice. I would think I'll be doing like kind of a jollof concoction rice, anyhow. So then I actually went to go and fetch water as well today. As you can see, if you notice, my listing is filled up, and currently, see, it's filled up to the top. This morning, it was just kind of like everywhere was kind of like how will I say it now? There was no water. I won't lie, there was no water. I don't even know what to do. I just have to just manage and just go to school and then come back. But I took my bed though. I used the last water to bathe. So now after now I'm planning on doing some little laundry. This is my how do I call it again, lab wear. Yeah, and I'm going to wash this my casual stuff. Man, it's not been easy. It's not been easy. Let me just rest a little. It's not been easy. Actually, I've even bet. If you look at me, so Jesus Christ. I didn't wash my hair though, because I want to like barb, so I just kept it like that. It's soapy. Maybe I used my hand when I was bathing to touch it. I want to barb my hair, that is why. So I don't want it to like kind of make it to be that hard. Yeah. I hope you get my point now. The boys, you guys know, you know what I'm saying here. Alright, see ya. Take care, guys. Catch you later. You can see I just parboiled the rice and I divided it into two. One of the side I want to do it like jollof, then the other side we just do it like normal white rice, then just keep it
I've been